Our weather has many moods, from hot to cold, wet to dry, ice and snow to blazing sun. We have it all. And suburban Atlanta homeowners, Christina and Brandon, live it all.
We live it all. We have all types of weather, all 4 seasons. We're gearing up for those summer days right now where we can barely even take the kids outside in the middle of the day because it's just too hot. We really need a system that can work in both cold and hot weather.
After purchasing the house, we knew the systems were older, but we wanted to take it for a couple years to make sure, to see if we needed to make any changes. After the first summer and winter, we decided that it really needed to go. We did some research and found out there were a lot more sustainable options, and we wanted to do our part for the planet.
Today's smartest homeowners know the benefits of all climate HVAC systems. From ultimate room comfort to lower operating costs, Brandon and Christina are thrilled with their system choices.
So a couple years ago, after we bought the house, we realized very quickly that the house wasn't going to be able to keep up with the heating in the winter and the cooling in the summer. So we looked to upgrade and modernize our current HVAC system and found a Mitsubishi Electric ducted system. What we love about it is that we can have zoned control for all the different rooms of our home and areas that we want to condition a little bit differently, like our primary bedroom and our kids' bedrooms. They can have different set temperatures so that we can, have a system that works for our family. One thing we didn't expect was how quiet the system is. Both inside when you're just relaxing or taking a little cat nap during the day, you hear nothing. It's so peaceful. And then when you're outside later at night and having a glass of wine, you don't hear that outdoor unit just kicking up and roaring, taking over your conversation.
When it got really cold outside, we had issues with our old unit, but after replacing it with the Mitsubishi Electric heat pump, we haven't had any issues. It serves us all the way down to minus 13 degrees, so we're good here.
Mitsubishi Electric's inverter-driven technology eliminates wasteful starts and stops, keeping each room comfortable, whether ducted or ductless. And both types offer homeowners individual cooling and heating zones, different temps for different rooms.
We have 5 zones in the house, mostly ducted in the main house, and we have 1 ductless unit upstairs. It's great for our family because we're able to set temperatures throughout the house differently, and we're getting 1 installed today out in the garage.
While Christina and Brandon chose Mitsubishi Electric's ducted system for the interior of the house, they're going ductless for an upstairs bedroom and garage.
Hey guys, my name's Scott.
Hey, Brandon.
I'm a contractor.
Come on in.
Your garage.
Yeah, come on in.
Thank you.
I really appreciate you coming out. This space really needs a unit.
What can I help you guys with today?
So it's just really hot in here. We can't really do anything in the garage right now in the summer. So we're just looking for something to condition this space, and we're not really sure what our options are. I think it'd be great to have something that we could turn on and off and not mess with the rest of the house.
Probably the best way would be a wall mount. And a wall mount would probably be perfect right here.
Does that type of unit qualify for the tax credit?
It does, up to $2,000.
That'd be great.
How long would it take to install?
About a day. Nothing too crazy.
Oh, wow, that fast?
Yeah.
That'd be great.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. Wow, that was really fast. It looks great.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Having the ductless system installed in the garage felt like a no-brainer afterwards. It's very easy to install, and I'm pretty excited about the tax credit next year. I really love the Kumo Cloud app on my phone that allows me to change the thermostat in any of my zones from whether I'm down the street or out of town. It's really quiet out here.
I know. The kids will never find us.
To find out how Mitsubishi Electric can improve your living and lifestyle, visit MitsubishiComfort.com or designingspaces.tv.